Stop. Before you grab that butter in the grocery aisle, you need to hear this. Not all butters are created equal. We tested 12 of the most popular unsalted butters, and the results were eye-opening. One of these will take your cooking from good to extraordinary, and another might completely tank a delicate dish. Stick around to find out which is which. Welcome back to EatFrame, where we help you eat smarter and save money on food. If you enjoy saving money on food, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next EatFrame guide. We let all 12 butter samples hum to room temperature, then tried each one plain and slathered on a toasted English muffin. The differences were huge, from color and texture to taste and richness. Ready to see the full ranking? Let's dive in. Coming in at number 12, Breakstone's Unsalted Butter. You've definitely seen that bright red box in the dairy aisle. It's a classic brand around since 1882. And I'll admit I've grabbed it plenty of times, especially when it's on sale. But does history mean great flavor? Sadly, no. The very first thing we noticed was how pale it looks. This is the whitest butter of the bunch. And the taste? Pretty blah. There's a slight tang that almost tricks you into thinking it's salted, even though it's not. That odd sharp note feels out of place, and it doesn't have the rich, creamy depth you want from butter. It's basically the wallflower at the party. It gets the job done, but doesn't make any impression. Perfectly fine if butter isn't the star like in cake batters or scrambled eggs, but if you're making something where butter should shine, say shortbread cookies or silky butter sauce, I'd reach for something better. Number 11. Land O'Lakes Unsalted Butter. Land O'Lakes, the butter many of us grew up with. It's America's #1 selling butter, and they've nailed consistency. Every time you pop open that golden box, you know exactly what to expect. On our taste test, Land O'Lakes was definitely smoother than Breakstone's. It didn't have any weird tang. Instead, it's got a straightforward, mild butter flavor and a reliably creamy texture. In other words, it's an everyday workhorse, dependable and familiar. It spreads smoothly and has no weird aftertaste. It's an easy choice for everyday cooking, but keep reading. Our top picks are even better. Number 10. Organic Valley Unsalted Butter. Now we're talking organic premium. Organic Valley is a big name at the grocery store. And yes, it carries a higher price tag. The moment we unwrapped it, you could see why. It has a gorgeous rich golden yellow color that screams quality. The texture matches the look, ultra creamy and dense, almost decadent in the mouth. At first I thought this might beat Land O'Lakes just on luxury feel. But here's the twist. The flavor was a letdown, very muted. It took a good minute before the butter taste even showed up, and then it left a weird aftertaste like movie theater popcorn butter. A bit artificial, honestly. Not what you expect from an organic label. In short, Organic Valley nails it on texture, but the flavor doesn't justify the premium price. Number 9. Vital Farms Unsalted Butter. Time for some real character. Vital Farms isn't just about butter. It's an ethos of happy, pasture-raised cows. You can absolutely taste that philosophy. This butter is rich and full-bodied with a big personality. First off, it's got 85% butterfat, which gives it an insanely creamy, silky mouthfeel. Flavor-wise, it's earthy and grassy, a world apart from the mild ones below. The taste actually deepens as it melts in your mouth. Think of Vital Farms as a star player, not a quiet team player. It's fantastic spread on a good piece of crusty bread, but it might overpower a delicate pastry. It's delicious and ethically made, but use it when you want that big, bold butter flavor to shine. Number 8. Nellie's Free-Range Unsalted Butter. Here's a hidden gem with pretty purple packaging. Nellie's comes from grass-fed, free-range cows, and it's downright decadent. As soon as you taste it, you notice something special, a very subtle hint of sweetness that perfectly balances the richness. It's almost like the butter has a faint caramel note. The mouthfeel is dreamy, soft, and very rich. And bakers, listen up. Nellie's proudly lists 84% butterfat on the box, higher than the usual 80%. That means less water and more butter. The result? Flakier pie crusts, richer cookies, and smoother sauces in your baking. In short, Nellie's is a baker's dream. Unique sweet notes, ultra creamy texture, and high performance. Before we move on to the top 5, a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this buttery deep dive, give this video a thumbs up. And hey, if you enjoy saving money on food, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next EatFrame guide. Number 7. Smjör Icelandic Unsalted Butter. We're going international now. Smjör hails from Iceland, and even the packaging feels special. It's wrapped in a beautiful forest green foil. Unwrapping it is almost like opening a gift. The texture is the first thing you notice. It's incredibly thick and dense, almost like spreading cream cheese. You can feel the quality with every bite. And yet, despite that richness, the flavor is surprisingly delicate and clean. There's none of the earthy or sweet notes from before. It's pure, gentle butter. This combination of ultra-rich texture and mild taste makes Smjör perfect for finishing sauces or dishes where you want luxurious richness without altering the flavor. Bonus: it's a real bargain for an import. I found it for under $4 for a big block. Number 6. Finlandia Unsalted Butter. Another European star. If you loved Smjör's texture but wanted more flavor oomph, Finlandia is your answer. It isn't just an ingredient, it's the main event. I mean, if there were a contest for best tasting butter on its own, Finlandia would take the cake. It's complex and loaded with flavor. First comes a roasted, nutty note, then rich creaminess, and finally a gentle tang as it melts. Each bite reveals something new. It's incredibly rich, yet it spreads so easily. Put Finlandia on toast, and suddenly the toast is just a vehicle for the butter. It's that good. Sure, at around $5 a stick it's a bit pricey, but for butter lovers, it's absolutely worth it. We're now in the top 5, the best of the best. Kicking things off at number 5 is Vermont Creamery Culture Unsalted Butter. Cultured butter means the cream is fermented like making yogurt or sourdough before churning, which builds incredible flavor. The result: a bright, tangy burst of buttermilk flavor with sharp, nutty undertones. It literally tastes as creamy as it looks. Spread it on a good piece of bread and you're in pure bliss. So why is it number 5 and not higher? Simple. It was neck and neck with the top spots. Vermont Creamery's cultured butter is phenomenal, but the ones above it just edged it out in pure smooth creaminess. Number 4. Cabot Creamery Unsalted Butter. Still in Vermont, but back to classic sweet cream style. Cabot Creamery is legendary, and their unsalted butter lives up to the hype. This is a legend hiding in plain sight at your grocery store. Picture this. The first time I tried it, I honestly thought someone tricked me with a fancy French butter. It's that good. The texture is unbelievable. Insanely creamy yet somehow light and airy. It's smoother and even a touch sweeter than the cultured one. The flavor is bold, pure, and perfectly balanced. A strong, rich butter taste with a hint of natural saltiness. In short, Cabot delivers world-class taste and texture at a down-to-earth price. It's balanced, smooth, and just ridiculously delicious. Number 3. Plugra Unsalted Butter. Now we're on the podium. The pros enter the game. Plugra's gleaming gold foil and American Culinary Federation seal scream professional grade. But here's the twist. Even though it's European-style 82% fat, slow-churned, it's made right here in Kansas City, Missouri. The difference is in the performance. Think insanely flaky pastries, ultra-silky sauces, and baked goods that rise to the occasion. The flavor is rich and potent, that deep, intense butter taste you dream of in a croissant. Plugra basically takes your home cooking to a restaurant level. If you want chef-quality results in your kitchen, this is your butter. Number 2. Kate's Unsalted Butter. Now we're coming home, my home state of Maine. Actually, Kate's is something truly special. It's made on a small family farm and churned fresh every day from local cream. You can literally taste the care. It's unbelievably creamy, like it was churned moments ago. But the magic is it's also so light and airy at the same time. Rich yet not heavy. That balance makes it perfect for anything. Baking, cooking, or just eating it straight off a spoon. It's basically flawless. In a head-to-head, it only lost to number 1 by whispering creaminess. Yes, it costs a bit more, but you're also paying for an artisan product and supporting a family farm. For me, that story makes every bite just a little bit sweeter. And the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1. Kerrygold Pure Irish Unsalted Butter. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it, our champion. Kerrygold is the stuff culinary dreams are made of. Just look at that color. A deep, vibrant yellow, thanks to Ireland's lush, green grass pastures. It instantly outshines all the others. Texture-wise, it's velvet smooth. It literally melts in your mouth. But the real magic is the flavor. Somehow Kerrygold tastes more like butter than butter itself. It's rich and complex, with a bright tang and a long, nutty finish. It redefines what butter can be, in every category. Creaminess, flavor, mouthfeel. It was the best of the best, sure. It's pricier, but I'll tell you this, once you taste it, you'll agree it's worth every extra penny. Many experts, Martha Stewart included, swear by Kerrygold. Trust me, after one bite you'll know why. It truly is the finest. And that's our lineup, from worst to best. Which butter surprised you the most? Did your favorite brand make the top 3? Or did we knock it off the podium? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your go-to butter. If you found this guide helpful and hopefully a bit entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy saving money on food, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next EatFrame guide. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.